Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my video. I hope you are happy, healthy, and doing wonderful today. Today's topic is very powerful, very practical, and extremely important for every English learner. The topic is, learn English without translation. Speak fluently fast. Yes, my friends, if you really want to speak English fluently, naturally, and confidently, then you must stop translating every sentence in your mind. Many English learners do this. First, they think in their native language. Then they translate it into English. Then they try to speak. And because of this process, speaking becomes slow, stressful, and difficult. But fluent speakers do something different. They think directly in English. And today, in this video, I will show you how you can also start thinking in English and speak faster without translation. So please watch this video till the end, because today's lesson can completely change your English speaking journey. Why translation makes speaking difficult. Let us first understand the main problem. Imagine this situation. Someone asks you, "How was your day?" Now inside your mind, this happens. First, you think in Bangla, or your native language. Then you try to translate the sentence into English. Then you worry about grammar. Then you search for vocabulary. And by the time you are ready to answer, the conversation is already moving forward. This is why many learners say, "I know English, but I cannot speak fluently." The problem is not intelligence. The problem is the habit of translation. Translation slows your brain. But thinking directly in English makes speaking natural and fast. Children learn language naturally. They do not translate. They connect words directly with ideas, feelings, actions, and objects. And you can learn the same way too.
Step 1. Start with simple English thinking. Do not try to think complicated sentences at first. Start very simple. Very, very simple. For example, I am hungry. I need water. The weather is hot. I am watching YouTube. I am sitting on a chair. I feel tired. These small English thoughts train your brain. From today, try to describe your daily life in simple English inside your mind. When you wake up, think, I am waking up. I need to brush my teeth. I am making tea. I am going to work. Slowly, your brain will begin to use English naturally. This is one of the best exercises for fluency. Step 2. Stop trying to be perfect. This is a very important point. Many learners stay silent because they want perfect English, perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, perfect vocabulary. But fluency does not come from perfection. Fluency comes from practice. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. So do not stop speaking because of fear. Simple English is powerful English. Instead of saying, "I would appreciate it if you could provide me assistance," just say, "Please help me." Easy English is natural English. Remember this. Communication is more important than perfection.
Step 3. Learn English in phrases, not single words. This is another secret of fluent speakers. Do not only memorize vocabulary words. Learn phrases. For example, instead of learning only the word hungry, learn I am hungry, I am very hungry, I need something to eat. Instead of learning only the word tired, learn I am tired, I feel exhausted, I need some rest. Your brain remembers language faster in chunks and phrases. That is exactly how real conversations work. Step 4. Listen more than you study. Many people study grammar for years, but still cannot speak confidently. Why? Because speaking grows through listening. The more English you hear, the more natural English becomes in your brain. Listen to English videos, English podcasts, English conversations, English stories, English interviews. And while listening, do not translate. Just listen and understand the meaning naturally. At first, maybe you understand only 20%. That is okay. Then 40%. Then 60%. Then one day, suddenly you realize, wow, I can understand English directly. That is a beautiful moment in your learning journey. Step 5. Use the listening and repeating method.
This method is extremely powerful. Here is what you do. Listen to one short English sentence. Pause. Repeat the sentence aloud. Copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and emotion. For example, audio says, "Today is a beautiful day." You pause and repeat, "Today is a beautiful day." Again and again. This trains your mouth, ears, and brain together, and slowly, speaking becomes automatic. Children learn language through repetition. You can too. Practice every day for 15 to 20 minutes. You will see amazing improvement. Step 6. Speak English alone every day. Many learners say, "I have nobody to practice with." No problem. You can still improve fast. Speak English alone. Yes, really. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your dreams. For example, "Today I woke up at 7 a.m. I drank tea. I watched a movie. Tomorrow I will go to the market." This daily self-speaking practice builds confidence very fast. The more you speak, the more natural English becomes. Step 7. Think in pictures, not in your native language. This technique is very effective. When you hear the word apple, do not think of the Bangla meaning. Instead, imagine the picture of an apple. When you hear car, imagine a car. When you hear water, imagine water. This creates direct English understanding, and this is exactly how fluent speakers think. No translation, only understanding. Step 8. Learn daily life English. Do not start with difficult academic English. Learn useful daily English first. Learn sentences for shopping, travel, family, work, phone calls, restaurants, daily routines. Because daily English is used again and again, and repeated language becomes fluent language. Step 9. Read easy English every day. Reading improves vocabulary naturally. But do not read very difficult books at first. Start with simple stories, short articles, easy dialogues, children's books, basic English news. Read slowly, understand naturally. And try not to translate every sentence. Your brain needs direct English exposure. Step 10. Practice every single day. Consistency is the real secret. Even 20 minutes every day is powerful. Small daily practice is better than studying for 5 hours once a week. English fluency is like exercise. The more regularly you practice, the stronger your skill becomes. Do not quit because progress feels slow. Every day your brain is learning. Every day you are improving. And one day you will speak English naturally without fear. A powerful daily practice routine. Now let me share a simple daily routine for fast fluency. Morning. Think simple English sentences about your day. Afternoon. Listen to 10 minutes of English audio. Evening. Repeat English sentences aloud. Night. Speak alone in English for 5 minutes. If you follow this routine daily, your speaking skill will improve faster than you imagine. Stop translating today. My dear friends, translation is like a bridge. In the beginning, maybe you need it sometimes. But if you always depend on translation, you will never speak naturally. So from today, think simple English. Listen more. Repeat more. Speak more. Fear less. Do not wait for perfect English. Start speaking with the English you already know, because fluency grows through use, not through silence. Motivation for English learners. Always remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Nobody speaks perfectly on the first day. Mistakes are part of learning. Do not feel embarrassed. Do not compare yourself with others. Your journey is your own. Maybe today you speak slowly, but if you continue practicing every day, one day you will speak confidently, smoothly, and naturally, and that day will make you proud. Believe in yourself. You can do this.
So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this video helped you understand how to learn English without translation and speak fluently faster. If you truly follow these methods every day, your English speaking confidence will improve step by step. And always remember, think in English, speak without fear, practice every day. Fluency takes time, but it is absolutely possible. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please support my channel. Like this video, comment below in English, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Smooth English Talks for more powerful English learning videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day. See you in the next video.